We need to get a leather strap on that. This is the look that it came with the black leather strap. And finally, this is how I think the Tissot looks the best. Hello everyone, welcome back to Average Joe Watch Review. Today we're going to do a long-term review on the Tissot LeLocle Powermatic 80. And this watch currently, as of January 2020, has 17,000 views. So thank you guys so much for your supports. So I wanted to do a 1-year review on this watch and just show you guys how it's held up, my impressions of it throughout the year, and so let's just dive right into it. So we wind it, as you can hear, it's got a very, it's winding. It's a very satisfying wind. It's tight, precise, feels like quality. It's got the Tissot logo on the rose gold clasp. This is a leather band that I have not even worn. I actually took it off right away and I put it on different straps. The movement itself, it has an 80-hour power reserve, so that is a huge plus because you can actually put this in your watch case and just let it sit for a couple days, and you'll actually be able to wear it again in another couple days without having to set the time, the date, and everything else. So that's pretty cool. The other thing is that this watch is extremely elegant. So you are kind of limited in the way that you can wear this watch in the different scenarios. Now I do have a metal strap that I do have. That one is definitely more of a more relaxed look, but it's still very elegant. This is how the watch came. It came on a black leather strap. Let's take a look at what an unboxing would have looked like if I filmed it back in the day. So we have a Tissot here, and my shaky camera work. I don't have tripods, so let's just open this box up. Try to do it with one hand. Oh man, it's not happening. Let's just, there we go. Oh wow, look at that. Joe Shop didn't take the sticker off this time. Beautiful. Alright, let's take this off and see. Oh, it's misaligned. Typical Joe Shop. But, got it cheap. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful watch. I actually never wore it on this strap, so it looks brand new. It does have Tissot 1883 embossed in there. This watch has really, over the past year, as you can see, has some minor scratching on the lugs. Like it's like what you would call surface scratching. Let me see if we get a good. Here's a pretty good angle there. Some surface scratching there, but the brushed look on the sides of the case actually have held up really nice. This held up really nice too, and let's be honest. I mean, it's still got the shine. There's actually no real gouges or anything. Even the bezel itself, if you take a look at the bezel, it still has its shine. Very minimal scratching, if any at all. The crystal itself, so absolutely no scratches on the crystal because it is indeed a sapphire crystal. The watch is held up extremely nicely. And I mean, this is just, again, one of the most beautiful, most gorgeous case backs in the watch industry. Tissot has done a marvelous job on that. Take a look at that. So guys, this is a watch that you would wear for a special event. You wear it to work, you wear it to church, wear it to a nice dinner. It just screams elegance, and it's definitely the most elegant watch of my collection. I'm extremely happy with it. My fiance bought this for me over a year ago, and it's just become just a staple of my collection. It's actually the watch that's photographed for my YouTube page. It's the channel art. It's so elegant, it's so beautiful. So Just look at it. I mean, look at the waffling pattern in the center here. Okay. Roman numerals are all applied, all in rose gold. It's just a beautiful, beautiful watch. I mean, even to the hands. The hands are just elegantly done in rose gold. Nothing too extraordinary about them, just very classy. And even the second hand has just a little bit of an oval tip to it that just gives it just a little bit of flair, but not too much. It's just really, really nicely done. So is this a watch that I would recommend others buying? If you only have like one event that's special a year, this is probably not the watch for you. This is definitely the boardroom watch. This is the, you know, cocktail and dinner watch. But look, guys, it's totally up to you. I mean, you can do whatever you want with your watch. I mean, if you want to wear this with a jeans and t-shirt, so be it. But I'm just saying that this watch, in my opinion, just from my experiences, I wish I could wear it more, but lately I have not had the opportunity to wear it because this is just such an elegant watch. This is the watch that you wear to church. This is the watch you wear to a formal event, boardroom meeting. You know, this is a watch that just screams luxury, screams elegance, screams class. So if you're the person that's really sporty and you're always active, you like to do outdoor activities and snowboarding and hunting and whatnot, this is definitely not the watch for you, at least for those particular activities. This is definitely not a diver's watch, not meant to be. This is that watch that when you're done with your outdoor activities, if you choose to do so, this is definitely that, you know, let's go out to a nice dinner hunt type of watch. So, but yeah, I want to keep it on this black leather. It needs to be broken in, but I just like the details of the watch. You know, I like how they give you the clasp here on the leather. It definitely adds to the class to it, and it also will help prolong your leather strap as opposed to continually bending, and you'll have some creasing. So this will definitely help prolong your leather strap. And as I mentioned in my first video of this watch, this is not highest quality leather, but it's also not, this is basically the type of leather that you would get from any leather strap that you would get on Amazon. It's about the same quality, guys. So the only difference is you're getting the Tissot branding in it. And of course they give you the clasp, which is a huge bonus. But I mean, look at this dial. I mean, you could just, I don't know what is actually, I mean, in my opinion, if I could wear the watch this way, I surely would, because I don't even care the time when you have this on. This is the kind of watch where, you know, you wear it somewhere and someone says something about the dial itself, and you just automatically take it off and say, well, take a look at this. I mean, this is one of the few watches I can actually do that with, and I do it quite often when I wear this thing. This thing probably spends more time off my wrist in public than any other watch because of the exhibition case back. That's just absolutely gorgeous. But guys, that's my long-term review of this watch. It's really given me absolutely no trouble. The only thing that was a little bit concerning to me was when I didn't wear it for a while and I wound the movement, the rotor was actually moving as I was winding it. So I don't know if it was like, I don't know what it was, but it happened to me a couple times, but it hasn't happened since. And it hasn't affected the watch at all. But that one, I don't know what that was, but it seems like something was sticking to the point where when I wound it, the rotor was moving as I was winding it as well in real time. So if anyone knows what that is, guys, comment below. But besides that minor thing, this watch has just been a gem. And it's still in beautiful shape after 1 year. I would totally recommend buying it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please have a beautiful day.